Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new kitchen appliance, a Cosori multi-cooker. Where do you see this? I needed it. I'm going to open it right here for you. You've never seen anything like this. It's an 11-in-1 cooker. It's a slow cooker. It's a steamer. It's a multi-cooker. What's this? Piece of paper? Yes. Receipt. It's a rice cooker, a slow cooker, a yogurt maker, a steamer, etc. Has a sauté function. Has a bake function. I think this is upside down, but that's all right. You just turn it around. Whoa, isn't that beautiful? Isn't it? Live life tastefully. Cosori Premium multi-cooker. What do you have? Throw it in and let's get cooking. This is nice. Nice digital display there. Nice handle. Isn't that clever how they put the picture of the top like a handle? I like it. At your command, with the press of a button, having 12 microprocessor controlled programs means lots of one touch and go masterpieces. Faster than takeout. Proudly precise. Each program consistently monitors and adjusts every second of the cooking process. This multi-cooker is very detail oriented. 1350 watts, 6 quart capacity. I like that color. I think I paint my walls that color. There's a glass lid. There's a non-stick inner pot. Recipe book. Ooh, steamer rack. Oh! Still there? Look inside. Get that warranty. Register your product within 14 days to receive a bonus year on your warranty. Okay. Happy cooking from Cosori. There's your bonus year warranty. You can register that if you want to. Cosori Premium Multi-Cooker instruction book. Nice. And recipe book. Ooh, look at that. Was that linguine and clams? Yogurt. Parfait. Chimichurri. Linguine and clams. I said that, didn't I? Steamed asparagus. Rice pudding. Apple crumble. Notes. Here's this nice lid. It has this rubber seal around the edge, like a gasket. Let's put that on. So it's quiet when you put it on top, and it seals in the juices. With a little vent there. What else? See how it's packed nicely? That's it. Wow. Where do you see this? Nice plug, protected well. Steamer rack. I've never seen one appliance do so many things. 11-in-1 functions. Packed very securely. Nice rubber grips on the ends. You don't burn yourself sometime. Non-stick. Measuring indicator inside of there. Oh yeah! More cardboard in here to protect the inside. See? Remove that before cooking. And the unveiling. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Ooh, hear that precision. We're gonna cook a lot of good stuff in here. Okay, this is the unboxing video today. Look at it. Very nice. Steamer rack. I bet you could use this as a low rack too, a high and a low. Yes, you can. Let me put this rubber gasket around the lid here. This goes on easily. We have a Cosori slow cooker that has this rubber gasket around the lid, and it's nice because it's quiet, keeps the lid from sliding around, but it's designed to keep the temperature stable so nothing sneaks out the sides. You just have the vent hole on top there. Nice. Perfect, see? And when you put it on, it's quiet. See? Nice. All right, come up here and let's look at the controls when I plug it in. All right, let me plug it in. For the first time. Ooh, isn't that nice? See those white lights that came on? Okay, what I see here is manual. Look at that. Rice, yogurt, boil, brown. It also says stove there. Simmer, sauté, steam, low. Here's your slow cook function. Medium, high, roast. Now this is oven, so you can roast and bake. That's nice. It's like an oven for roast and bake, stove for boil or brown, simmer, sauté, and steam. And then slow cooker is low, medium, and high. And then within all that, you have your temperatures. It goes up to 400, I believe. Oh, then you turn this knob. Look at that. Nice. Okay, set your temperature for, say, 200. So we're set for 200 there. Then we'll go to time. And we get time to blink. And then we can set our time to, say, whatever we want, 2, 3 hours, 3, and then start. There you go. Isn't that nice? I hope you can see it good with the light. Isn't it beautiful? What should I cook in here first? I can bake, I can boil, I can broil, I can slow cook, I can steam, I can saute. Imagine once it gets up to temperature, then it starts counting down. You have a delay timer, you can set it to go on while you're at work. You can put your food in here in the morning and then come home and it'll be all cooked for you. Or cook overnight like we do sometimes. Right now I'm going to cancel. And it went right to off. Alright everybody, this is really nice. I'm going to read the directions and check out the cookbook and see what I'm going to make for tomorrow. You'll have to stop back and see. Meantime, I'll put a link down there. Check it out. I really like it. Ultra modern. This is going to replace a few things, so I'll have more room in my kitchen maybe. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Check them out.